Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today, in our SST class, we are going to start with chapter 16, that is natural resources. So, what do you understand by natural? What do you understand by natural and what are resources here? Natural mean which are available without interference of human beings. That is naturally, like sunlight, soil, air, petroleum, coal. So these are natural resources. And what are resources here? Resource is something that we need to fulfill a purpose, fulfill our need. ओके जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं संसाधन. सो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर प्राकृतिक संसाधन विच द रिसोर्सेज विच वी फाउंड फ्रॉम नेचर. ओके वी कैन नॉट मेक नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. These resources we get from nature. So we need resources to produce energy for our various activities. Like we need coal or water for generating this electricity, for making electricity. Fine. So any natural substance that humans use can be considered as the natural resource. Natural resources are of two types: non-renewable resources and renewable resources. So today we'll study about non-renewable resources. Now let us first understand what are non-renewable resources. Now this renewable means non-renewable means which cannot form again, जो दोबारा renew नहीं हो सकते, जो दोबारा बन नहीं सकते, because their formation takes place millions and millions of years. उनको बनने में millions and billions of years लगते हैं. Fine. So these are called as non-renewable resources. The non-renewable sorry. The non-renewable resources are resources that have a limited supply. A lot of these fuels, oil are non-renewable resources, and these we are using in our daily life. Unlimited use. Okay, so now organic remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago were buried deep in the earth, and deep inside the earth we have high temperature and pressure, where we have high temperature and pressure deep inside the earth. This high temperature and pressure convert that organic matter into coal, petroleum, natural gas, and organic here means things that are natural or related to nature. Fine. So the resources like coal, petroleum, natural gas take so long in formation, and they are called as fossil fuels, and they are fulfilling our requirements. हमारी requirements को पूरा कर रहे हैं in many ways, and if we will use them like this only, whatsoever the way we are using, they will exhaust in future. 20, 30, 40 years में ये खत्म हो जाएंगे. Now let us first talk about this coal. What is coal? Coal is non-renewable resource, and this is black carbon rich sedimentary rock that is mined out from mountains or below ground, and we burn it as fuel. Coal is formed when dead plant matter decays and converted into coal, that is by the heat and pressure inside the earth. Okay. So coal is found deep below the earth's surface, and we can obtain it by mining. So we use coal for steam engine, for generating electricity, for cooking. So this is how we use coal, that is a non-renewable resource. The places of rich deposit of coal in India, Jharkhand, that produces 83.15 billion tons of coal, and Jharia is a coal field जहाँ पर कोल मिलता है, is a large coal field located in the east of India, that is in Jharia, that is in Jharkhand. And other deposits of coal are found in Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so burning of coal produces carbon dioxide and other harmful gases which causes global warming. Fine. So this is about coal. Next we have petroleum. This is naturally occurring liquid found under the earth's surface. Petroleum, we call it as black gold also. We found in the form of crude oil, that is unrefined form of this oil. Petroleum is unrefined form. So okay, so for using crude oil we have to refine this. So हम इसको refine करके फिर use करते हैं. So petroleum is a non-renewable fuel that is naturally found in liquid form. We get fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, cooking gas, etc. from petroleum, and after refining we used to get these fuels. The main oil producing countries are Russia, Saudi Arabia, United States. Okay, and in India it is mainly found in Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai, that is Bombay High in. Okay, next we have natural gas. Natural gas is formed when layers of decomposing plant and animal matter are exposed to heat and pressure again, fine, under the earth's surface for over millions of years. Methane and ethane, these are the gases which are the common type of gases obtained through this process only. So now we should think of some alternate resources, because we are using these non-renewable resources. A lot of non-renewable resources we are using, and due to this unlimited use they will exhaust, वो ख़त्म हो जाएंगे क्योंकि हम उनको बहुत ही मात्रा में यूज़ कर रहे हैं. So we should more depend upon renewable resources. Renewable resources are which can renew, जो हमें आगे मिल सकते हैं, like hydroelectricity. We generate hydroelectricity from water. Yes, wind energy, with the help of wind we are generating. Solar energy we are generating with the help of sun rays, sun's heat. Okay, so this was all about the non-renewable resources which are very limited. Okay, so read page number 126 and 127 of chapter 16, and next video will study about renewable resources. Thank you.